My dog does not love to eat plain kibble, so I'm going to share with you what I've learned over the past year of having her as a good topper. I've kind of been playing around, and this is what I settled on. It's all from Aldi, and it's super simple, but I want to remind you, I have zero vet experience. I've done research. I am going breed and size specific and preferences to my particular dog. She is an English Mastiff. She's almost 120 pounds and she is almost she's almost 15 months old at this point. So her portions have gotten bigger as she gets older and bigger. But whenever I share different things that I buy on my Aldi hauls, I get asked for my recipe, so I'm gonna just share it with you. This again is breed and size specific to my dog and based on what I found that works for us. So what got us started on this is when we got her as a puppy, she was leaving her mom, of course, was done breastfeeding and moving to hard food, and she had pretty liquid stools. So I was researching things that might help, and I saw that an egg or pumpkin were good to add to her diet. So on top of just the kibble, we were giving her an egg. We played around with raw versus cooked. Cooked worked much better, and the pumpkin seemed to make a big difference. So then every day I was starting to put a little bit of pumpkin and an egg, and the thing is, she really liked to eat when she had that kind of food on top of her food. So then I started playing around and researching other things that would be good to top it with dogs, because I noticed she ate her kibble much better. Then we realized that Mastiffs really don't do well with chicken, so we moved to a different kibble. And in that transition from kibble brands, I used more topper to get her used to the new brand, kind of covered up that we were changing. And honestly, she really just liked it. Let's just say she's spoiled. So this is how I make it in bulk. I played around for a while before I shared it because I wanted to make it easy. I have 10 cartons, but this makes a little bit more than that. But as she's growing, I think the same recipe will only get us about 10. Right now we get between probably 13 to 14. I like when I can get 2 weeks out of it, but it's really simple. I'm not a vet, but I do love my dog. Got it all cooked. It looks like a giant pile of puke. Good thing it's not for me, it's for my dog. And then I take my immersion blender. And we mix it up. So I have this cooled. I have 10 storage containers that I did buy specifically for dog food. One, because then it's not grossing anyone in my family out putting dog food in the people container, which really isn't a big deal. It's just food. But it's easy to stack when I'm not using them. The lids and the containers themselves stack really nicely. They're dishwasher safe, and they can go in the freezer and the fridge. So what I do is, this is 2 weeks worth. I make it once every 2 weeks. And then I can freeze the second week. I have, which is 7 of these. Then I put 3 of them in my fridge. Then I do have to use another container for the other 4 days. One of which is just tonight's dinner, so I don't have to store it. But this, I could buy another set of these. I just don't want to store it for 4 more. So I would love to have 14 of these, but they were sold in a 10 pack. Look at her. She sees me making her food. She likes it. So all I do, I don't measure it. You could be precise. I just try to eyeball 14 portions. And you can see she likes it. She knows what I'm doing. And she wants her food, which we will feed her shortly. But I use the same scoop so that it's pretty standard. That one's a little smaller. And we'll just do this for 14 portions. Some of this into her kibble. It does make her bowl a little messy, so I have to clean that regularly, which that's probably the biggest pain of this. You can see I have kibble in her bowl. I'm gonna cover it and then put a little more kibble on top. And now I just put a little bit more kibble on top, kind of hides it. Okay. And you can see she absolutely loves it. Emmy, you like that? And it helps her to eat the kibble more. You can see how much my dog liked this. It helps her to eat the kibble, and she's not a dog that will eat kibble all day long, but when I put this on her meal once a day, she downs the bowl. She really likes this. It helps her to eat. It is super simple to freeze. When you take it out of the freezer, I just let it sit in the fridge for a few days, and if I have to defrost it in the microwave, I'm just cognizant that it might be hot, so I pay attention to temperature before I put it on her food. But we've never had an issue. She likes it warmed up. She likes it cold. She just likes it. I call it her gravy topper, and it works really well. Now, if you want to see a recipe that the humans in my house like, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, done and ciao.